guys, Lisbeth here. Thanks for joining me. I'm glad I got my cough settled down a little bit, or I, with the doctor and some seriously medical attention, I got my cough down so I can make some videos again. If you're new to my channel, thanks for joining me. I usually put out 2 videos a week, one makeup related, one for declutter or cleaning related. I haven't been able to do that for a little bit because of my cough and asthma situation. Also, if you want to subscribe and click that bell, I am on jury duty for the feds for the next 6 months. So my videos may not be, twice a week like they had been. So I just want to make sure that if you're interested in the kind of content I put out, that you do get to see my videos when I put them out. I'm going to do the best I can on getting them out every week, depending on what's happening with my life. Got the Walmart beauty box. Finally, I got it in spring. It's the winter box. So it is the Trendsetter. I usually get a classic and a Trendsetter. The classic came out a couple months ago. I'll link that video down below. I usually do a battle with them, but I think I've used that stuff and it's gone. So let me show you what I got in the Trendsetter box this time. It's Celebrate Your Beauty. I did open it up and I'm really excited about it. Again, you get the Celebrate Your Beauty card and you can enter to win a $100 gift card. The Walmart beauty boxes are $5 per quarter. You do sign up for them. You can go to walmart.com, I suppose, /beautybox. You can go to regular walmart.com and put it in the search. It'll take you there. The first thing, which more than pays for the box, because the box is free, but the shipping and handling is $5, so there isn't tax on it. But if you don't send them $5, you don't get the box, so you can think of that however you want. There is a Degree Motion Sense, full size. It is 2.6 ounces, ultra clear, black and white, invisible solid, which invisible is what I like. I usually have a gel right now. It's got a light scent to it. I'll have to see. With my asthma, sometimes scents bother me and I usually use unscented, but we'll see how this one goes. But my husband's like, if you don't like it, I want to use it. So that alone paid for the box. Then I've got an Aquaphor Advanced Therapy Ointment Body Spray. So that's cool, especially my wrists have been getting so dry. We moved to springtime weather and then spring hit and now it's been snowing the last couple days. So definitely a spray body lotion. Oh, what the heck. Try not to get it on my camera, but oh yeah. That feels good. I do like the Aquaphor brand. And I'll see how that smooths out my skin. And that's a pretty decent size too, 0.86 ounces. Let me dig back into this pile. Aveeno, I've received this before, Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I like to keep one of these in my car, so I have just used up my other one. So that came in handy for me. Purifying Brightening Peeling Gel. From SOAE, S-O-A-E, vitamin C and E. I'll have to read how this works because it seems like, I don't know if it's a sheet mask. After removing makeup and cleansing, apply an adequate amount to moisten skin and massage gently with fingertips in rolling circular motions. Carefully avoiding delicate eye and mouth area. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. So it's not really a mask. I guess it's a peel like it says it's a peel. So we'll see how that goes. I'll let you know in my empties. And, ooh, P2 Volume Gloss Gel Look Polish. I received a white one in the classic box and it took like 4 coats of the white. So we'll see how this goes. Let's see. It's called 440 Double Agent, and it looks like a pinky red, maybe a little corally undertone, but mostly pinky red. So you guys know I only had 2 polishes at the beginning of the year. Maybe you don't know if you want to see my nail polish collection declutter. And then I got the white one in the classic box a couple months ago. I'll try to put that opening in down below. And now I've got a pink one. So it looks like, even though I'm not really that much into nail polish, that it is, my polish collection is increasing. And that's kind of nice to have in the box. It says Ultimate Nail Perfection under $5. So I don't know how much these polishes are, but they're under $5. And again, the box shipping and handling was $5. And then I got a paper about spray away dry rough skin. So it's not a coupon, it just talks about shake, apply, rub in. So let's see what we got here. A Degree full-size antiperspirant that more than paid for the box. Aqua for, it's a spray-on lotion, so I'm all into that. Peeling gel, it's not that I don't need a face peel, but peel's kind of scaring me. Let me know, you know, is this just a normal thing to you, or do you find peel scary? The Aveeno, which works out just in time to put in my car. And then a fun polish. I do not have any reds or pink or coral, so great. To me, this Trendsetter box from Walmart is a big win. It is the winter box, even though it came to me in the spring. So I am not sure if you sign up whether you would get this. I imagine they're working towards spring. So let me know what you think of the box, and check out my classic unboxing, the Walmart unboxing below, and I'll talk with you guys later. Bye.